Is leadership inborn? No. Anyone can be a leader. You can be a leader. But being a leader is a developed set of skills.
Develop set?
Pero ano nga ba ang naghihinder sa isang tao para maging isang magaling na leader? Takot. Takot sa consequences of leading. Madalas tayo, ayaw natin ng responsibility of being a leader. Kasi totoo nga naman, nakakatakot. Nakakatakot gumawa ng desisyon. Nakakatakot manguna. At higit sa lahat, nakakatakot mag-lead ng tao. Ba't ako umatras? But the responsibility and the consequences of being a follower, kung mananatili tayong follower lang, kung mananatili tayong go with the flow, is dire, more serious, and more severe.
Severe?
Now, as a follower, as go with the flow, you just got to go along with whatever. In short, hindi mo alam kung saan ka pupunta. Now, if you want to live with purpose, help us help you become a leader. Together, let us change a nation by changing a generation.